I don't know about you, but now that Labor Day is behind us, I'm ready for fall and all the goodness that comes with it. And one way to get a jump start is by whipping up a cinnamon bun poke cake. When your whole house is filled with the aroma of freshly baked cinnamon buns, you'll know what I mean. We start by preparing a box of white cake mix, according to the package instructions, in a 9x13 pan. While that cools, we mix together some melted butter, brown sugar, a good amount of ground cinnamon, a little vanilla, and some sweetened condensed milk. We set that aside for a sec while we poke holes all over the cake with the handle of a wooden spoon. Now we pour our filling over the cake, making sure all the holes are filled with this cinnamon goodness. Now we finish this with a homemade cream cheese frosting, and it's ready to serve. And boy, is this good. Between all the gooey pockets of the cinnamon filling and the creaminess of the frosting, it tastes just like a cinnamon bun, but with the ease of a poke cake. To get the recipe for our cinnamon bun poke cake, all you have to do is check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a sensational way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.